Hi everybody, John Sadler here. I know you haven't seen me post any videos for a while, but we have 2 more videos we just made about automotive repair that we're posting soon. And I have a great cameraman to help me do this now. And what's happened is I've transitioned, as some of you know, I've been in bad car wrecks, and I've transitioned into doing human body work. If you're very athletic and you do a lot of things and all of a sudden you find yourself sitting around and you find yourself not being able to move so good, and you used to be a runner but you can't run anymore because your knee hurts or your hip hurts, and it's kind of going on for more time, you're losing your ability to be more active. Come see me. I'd be honored to take a look at you, see how the muscles are moving if you do in fact have a muscle problem. And if I can help you, oh my God, your life will change. I've got thousands of people over the years whose lives have changed that they had basically given up. So when the muscle has dips and valleys that is supposed to be flat, I'm the guy that flattens it out for you. I've been known by a 5-time world champion boxer. He calls me Angel Hands. Some of the Navy buds that are working on training to become SEALs call me Elbows of God. And I'm obsessed with doing this to working on problems with muscles for people. And I plane the muscles and get those corrected again, then they're so ecstatic. And they call me the muscle planer. So I have a channel, Sadler's Human Bodyworks. If you want to follow that, I'll put a link in there for you too. There's a lot of good things for body help where you can help your own body too, besides your car. Thank you.